So guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the fresh episode of Bhuka Imanshu, and I am really very thankful that you guys showed up too much of love towards my last video, which was a challenge of drinking 7 liters of water in a day. Thank you very much for showing tremendous amounts of love and your reaction, good reaction towards that video. I hope you all enjoyed it. So this week also we are going to perform a new challenge. It will be eating zero amount of sugars. That means I will not be eating any sugar particle, any even not even a small crystal of sugar, not even any sugary food this whole week. So I'll be performing this thing for 7 days. One more thing I want to tell you guys, that in this week I will not be eating any kind of artificial sugar, but I'll be eating the fruits, like the seasonal food. Like right now it's a season of watermelon, mangoes, so I'll be eating these fruits, but I'm not eating any kind of artificial sugar. With that, I have a habit to, and it is going to be very difficult for me because I have a habit to eat sugar after every meal. After my lunch I eat small amount of jaggery. Even after my breakfast I eat a small amount of jaggery. So I have a habit to eat, and I also heard this thing that if I stop eating sugar, so it will help me to lose some amount of weight. So if this happens, then it is a big thumbs up. So let's try this thing for a week, and I'll give you update of every day, just like earlier I gave you of of all 7 days. I update you guys that what happened to me, how all these things are going. So today is I think, I don't know, but today is the first day, and till now I have my breakfast, and in my breakfast I didn't eat any kind of sugar. I eat vegetable uttapam and a cup of green tea. Nothing else I have eaten till yet, and I'll be continuing with that. I'll be working out. I'll be continuing that 7 liters of water also in a day, and I will not eat even a single crystal of sugar. So it will be gonna very tough because I am super obsessed with sugary foods and I have a sugar tooth. So it will be it will gonna be quite difficult for me to perform this challenge, but I'll give my level best, and I'll review also. I will tell you my experience on the final day, and on every day I will gonna review. So last time, as compared to last time, I will not make this time I will not make the intro too big. So I'll try to concise my video within 15 minutes so that you guys will also enjoy. And so this was about the intro. Let's begin with the challenge. So it's our day first. I haven't eaten any sugary thing right now, any sweet thing right now, and now I will gonna eat some mango, this big mango, and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I will eat a mango at 11:30, somewhere around 11:30, and rest I'll show you. I'll update you at that time only why to make this intro too big. So if you really like my videos, if you really enjoy watching my videos, so please press this red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because your one subscribe means a lot for me, and even a one like or a dislike means a lot for me, because your dislikes give me a boost to improve my videos. So I'll update you guys later on.
And as you can see, in my lunch I am having 2 parathas and 1 bhaji, which is cooked in the house.
So guys, today is the day second of our challenge of not eating the sugar, and I would say it is becoming very tough for me. Literally, यार मेरे को I'm facing a lot of mood change just because not of eating sugar, and yesterday also I haven't ate any sugar granule. Today also it's 2 o'clock right now in the afternoon, and it's time for me to go for my dinner. But as I told you guys that I will not eat any kind of a sugary thing, and it is becoming a lot difficult for me. It is now heading in my brain, like I don't know, मेरे को कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं हो रहा. Literally I feel so low in energy, and it is very difficult for me to perform this particular task, but no worries, I will perform it.
and let's see what will happen. But yeah, this challenge is quite difficult as compared to the last one for me, because drinking water is very easy, but quitting sugar is too difficult. And when even like I'm feeling a lot low in my energy level, so let's see what will happen. I'll update you guys, but yeah, it's very difficult. It's the day 4 of our challenge, and right now it's 9:30 and it's time for my breakfast. As you guys can see it in my breakfast today, I'm having a basin chila with some mashed potatoes and tomato ketchup. So you guys can see no sugar I am eating until now. 3 days are completely gone and I haven't intake even a single granule of sugar, which is a quite great thing. Thumbs up to everything. Let's complete this breakfast and then I'll see you guys. So guys, just now you guys saw that I had my breakfast, and my breakfast I had one basin chila, few amount of mashed potatoes and ketchup, tomato ketchup. Actually, I want to confess something. Today, as you know, today is the fourth day, but yesterday I didn't film my day, and the challenge went wrong yesterday. Actually, what happened, I was not in the right state of mind because of not eating sugars, and because of which I'm facing a lot of mood swing, getting irritated very easily. So all these things are happening. So I really want to confess, my mom made a cake yesterday. So in that from that cake I ate this big piece, not more than that. Seriously, I'm not like lying. All I ate cake, but not more than this. So this much cake I ate, and this is this much, like that's the only piece of sugar which I have eaten right now. And before that I haven't eaten anything sugary. After eating that cake, until now I haven't eaten anything sugary. I told you that I will be eating fruits and different kinds of fruits and vegetables, which I usually used to eat. So that's the only source of sugar right now in my diet. Rest, I'm not eating any kind of artificial sugars or sweetness, nothing. So let's see how it will work, and no doubt I'm seeing changes. Like I'm losing weight. I told you guys when I started, so my weight was 75 kilos, but I checked it, and I'll tell you guys this thing on the last day when I'll review it, how the challenge, how I'm feeling after a week doing that challenge. Although the very first 3 days are quite difficult for me, because my body was becoming habitual of no sugar. And fourth day today it's quite easy, I'm not facing any kind of a problem. And I think now my body become habitual of this particular thing of not eating sugars, and I think it will go more. I can extend it till 7 days or even more, and let's see how it will work. So I'll update you guys later on. And I'm having my lunch. It's around 2 o'clock. I have two chapatis, you can see, and I have a normal home cooked bhaji which I will going to eat. So no sugar till now, going great. So it's day 5 and it's dinner time, and then you guys can see in my dinner today I am having uh, 2 uttapam, vegetable uttapam, and with that I am having sambar and a plate full of cucumbers, because it's really very good to have cucumbers in the dinner, and no sugar at all. Today is the last day, that means the 7th day of our challenge, and you guys can see it's my dinner lunch time, and in my lunch I'm having this jackfruit. This is a vegetable jackfruit bhaji, then a bowl of dal, two chapatis made of rice flour, and a bit of salad, not salad only, it's bit of cucumber. So jackfruit, dal, jackfruit, dal, 2 chapatis, rice chapatis, and cucumber. So this is the 7th day. Until now, no sugar. Everything is going great. Today is the 8th day, and yesterday, and it was the last day yesterday of our challenge of not eating sugar for continuously for 7 days, and we did it. We successfully did it. Actually, I will not say that we successfully did it, because on third day, I told you earlier also, and I'm telling you guys right now also, that on third day I cheated because I was not able to survive without sugar. I was being very much desperate to eat sugar. I was suffering from mood swings. It was really very difficult for me, and that's why I decided at that moment to eat a little bit amount of sugar, but not more than that I have eaten. And yeah, so if I talk about my experience, initially it was a very hard thing for me to do, as it, like, I'm a guy for whom eating sugar is like a ritual. I eat sugar even in my every meal. So I was not eating that sugar, so it was like I broke my ritual. So yes, it is quite difficult for me initially, for, I would say, not for 2 to 3 days. It was difficult for me for to around 4 days, or I would say 5 days. Till the time I didn't complete 5 days, it was way too difficult for me. I always have this craving to eat sugar, and it was very difficult. But to be very honest with you guys, that this particular challenge, and the challenge which we performed earlier before this one, that drinking 7 liters of water in a day, that these two challenges I want to perform from a very long time to enhance myself, and I was not able to do because I was not getting any kind of a motivation. But just to make this videos, first of all, like, there are 2-3 motives. The very first motive is to check whether these things work or not. Motive is that to check the results on my body. And the third motive is that to transform myself as an individual, and to pass on a knowledge, that so that the people who are also struggling like me to lose weight, they can also perform all these things. And if I talk about weight, so yes, I end up reducing 1 kilo. In the last challenge I said this thing, my weight was 75 kgs, but this time I checked today, it was 74. So I am good, like more 1 kilos down. So it makes me very much happy, and this is a driving force for this act as a driving force to me, like, to continue this challenge throughout my life. Not throughout my life, for a longer duration, because now I don't have a craving to eat sugar. It helps me to transform, it helps me to leave the addiction of sugar. So it is really great. And if I talk about the skin change, so I don't know whether you guys can make out a difference or not. Like, I and my mom and my family members, they were also telling that my face has reduced, like the face fat has reduced a bit, so which is also a good sign. And yeah, actually I'm sweating just because I'm sitting on my terrace to avoid all the kind of distractions. I was saying, like, those people who are doing weight loss, who are struggling to reduce weight, those people can really understand that my happiness, that a person who is reducing weight, and if they reduce even a single kilo, so how much happy they become, how happy they get, how much happiness they get after seeing that weighing scale 1 kilo downs at the downside. So it is great thing. Like, I am happy with the results which I saw. And if you guys really want to perform all these challenges, so you guys can also perform. So guys, this is all for today. This is about this video. So if you really like my video, so please press that like button. If you don't like, so you are feel free to press the dislike button. And I would say, if you like, so don't forget to subscribe my channel if you really like the content which I upload. Very soon I will going to upload some food vlogs also, so if you want to watch that, so do not forget to subscribe my channel. And this is all for today. I'll see you guys in some other video. Till then, bye bye everyone. Auf Wiedersehen.